Here are my solar panels for my water. I'm about 1,000 foot, almost 1,000 foot down from my house. And so I have 2 solar panels. They're each 100. And just wires that I connect like this. I had a switch there, but ants decided to take it over, so I decided to take away their home because they were affecting my switch turning on and off. But I have the wire along this fence, along the ground here, back up, just kind of weaving it. It's 250 feet, a little over, maybe 275 to the water. So that's where we're headed. But I'm checking on my pump. See if it's pumping. It's in the water. I checked once already. Then I found something super lovely. I'm gonna face the ground now. See if you can see what I'm seeing. See if you can see. Do you see what's all over? I'm giving you clues, guys. Oh yes. I'm so very fortunate. Look at there. There. All over. Right in the path here. I can tip this off. Some more bloodroot. Some more bloodroot. There is my pump. So this is the spring right here. And it kind of goes under the ground. You see where it's trickling out right here? There's a little bit of a trickle right there. Do you see it? By the rock here, and it comes around. Then it kind of goes, see the little trickling right there? And that is why I keep my pump right there. Right in the little crevasse, about 3 feet. Okay, these things are calmed very down. I hear the pump going. A little setup. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful creek. But I wanted to focus on the bloodroot. Right here. You see that? I have it all over my woods. And I have potted some up as well for people that don't have it and would like it. You can just message me. I just wanted to show you. I do have a little plant nursery, mostly wild things. Some domestic herbs as well because I just love herbs. Anyway, I wanted to show you that. So I go back down here because my favorite little cluster, all of them, but this one's really striking to me the way the light is hitting it right now in this kind of cloudy day. I just really like little babies coming up. And this right here, so pretty. There you go. So beautiful. All right, look at these other wild things. Y'all know what that is. Y'all know what that is. Oh yeah. Oh, hey, look at that. And then look at right here. Oh my gosh. I love spring. All right. We will focus on that right now. I'm gonna make that big. Ooh. All right, guys. Enjoy your day.